This is a Jackery branded power adapter. It's the DC8020 to DC7909. So basically that means it goes from an 8mm outside diameter with a 2mm pin down to a 7.9mm outside with a 0.9mm pin. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $20. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinion remains my own. So this is the adapter. It has this little rubber thing on it. You can put it on the end of a cable to retain it. You can see here it has the female 8020. So essentially you have an outside diameter of 8, an inside diameter of 2mm, and then it goes down to a 7.9 outside diameter with the 0.9mm pin. So that's the very small pin inside there. And so if you have a solar panel or input power that needs that, and you have a device that needs this, you plug these guys in and it adapts from one to the other. This is manufactured by Jackery. It comes in their trademark orange color, but these are relatively generic sizes of adapters commonly used for solar power. So if you have any device that requires that particular size, it will work with other devices. So for example, I have this portable power station that takes a 7.9 outside diameter and 0.9mm inside diameter. It plugs into that just fine.